Enhancing Agile Project Management through Lean Six Sigma Integration. We will explore how the application of Lean Six Sigma principles can enhance your Agile project management efforts and drive continuous improvement within your organization. Lean principles in Agile methodologies. Lean principles focus on eliminating waste and maximizing value for the customer. By incorporating lean concepts into Agile methodologies, teams can streamline processes, reduce inefficiencies, and deliver higher quality products and services. Six Sigma methodologies in project management. By applying Six Sigma tools to Agile project management, teams can identify and address root causes of problems, leading to improved project success and productivity. How to implement Lean Six Sigma in Agile project management. Identify areas for improvement, conduct a thorough analysis of current processes and identify areas where Lean Six Sigma principles can be applied to drive efficiency. Train team members, provide training on Lean concepts, Six Sigma methodologies, and Lean tools to ensure team members are equipped to implement these practices effectively. Implement process improvements. Develop and implement process improvements based on Lean Six Sigma principles, continuously seeking opportunities for enhancement. Measure and monitor performance. Establish key performance indicators and metrics to track progress and ensure that the application of Lean Six Sigma is driving desired outcomes. Iterate and improve. Continuously iterate on processes, gather feedback from team members, and make adjustments as needed to optimize project management practices. Conclusion. In conclusion, the application of Lean Six Sigma principles in Agile project management can lead to significant improvements in efficiency, quality, and overall project outcomes,